Hi friends, welcome to my channel Magic Sir of Mathematics with Magic Methods. Today we will solve some examples based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Look at the space bubble. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then A and B are known as complementary angles. Now 90 degrees minus theta plus theta is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus theta and theta are complementary angles. In the first example, the value of complementary angle changes during the conversion of sine and cosine with each other. In the second example, it changes for tan and cot. We can observe the same thing for sec and cosec in the third example. I have taken more and more examples to teach the concept of complementary angles in trigonometry. It is necessary to speed up your verbal calculation. Look at the example 5. It is very interesting. Example 6 is useful for any triangle. See the example. Friends, if your concept of complementary angle is clear, you can skip to the last 3 examples. So let us solve these examples one by one. Before proceeding further, the student is advised to familiarize himself with the following formulas. Let us take first formula. Sin 90 degrees minus A is equal to cos A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. See the animation. That is cos A is equal to sin 90 degrees minus A. Second, cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to sin A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. See the animation. That is sin A is equal to cos 90 degrees minus A. Third, tan 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. That is cot A is equal to tan 90 degrees minus A. Fourth, cosec 90 degrees minus A is equal to sec A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. That is sec A is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus A. Fifth, sec 90 degrees minus A is equal to cosec A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. That is cosec A is equal to sec 90 degrees minus A. And the last, cot 90 degrees minus A is equal to tan A. Or we can write this formula from the right hand side to the left hand side. That is tan A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus A. Now let us consider some examples based on these formulas. Let us take example 1. So that sin 50 degrees is equal to cosine of 40 degrees. See the second formula. Sin A is equal to cos 90 degrees minus A. Let us take A is equal to 50 degrees. So sin 50 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. A is equal to 50 degrees. Here A is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, sin 50 degrees equal to cos of 40 degrees because 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to 40 degrees. Hence, we can convert sine to cosine or cosine to sine by subtracting the given angle from 90 degrees. Here, note that 50 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Here is tips for verbal calculation. How do you convert sine 80 degrees to cosine? It is so simple. Just subtract the given angle from 90 degrees. Here 80 degrees is an acute angle. So sine 80 degrees is equal to cosine of 90 degrees minus 80 degrees is equal to 10 degrees. So sine 80 degrees is equal to cos 10 degrees. Sine 70 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to cos 20 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees. Sine 55 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 55 degrees is equal to cos 35 degrees. Similarly, we can convert cosine to sine. Cos 75 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees minus 75 degrees is equal to sine 15 degrees. Cos 50 degrees is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to sine 40 degrees. Cos 81 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees minus 81 degrees is equal to sine 9 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees. Again, second formula, sin A is equal to cos 90 degrees minus A, or we can write cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to sin A. Dividing both sides by sin A, we get cos 90 degrees minus A upon sin A is equal to sin A upon sin A equal to 1. Therefore, cos 90 degrees minus A upon sin A is equal to 1. Similarly, from the first formula cos A equal to sine 90 degrees minus A, or we can write sine 90 degrees minus A is equal to cos A. Dividing both sides by cos A, we get sine 90 degrees minus A upon cos A is equal to cos A upon cos A is equal to 1. These are the important results for verbal calculation. Example 2. So that tan 55 degrees is equal to cot 35 degrees. See the formula. Number 6. Tan A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus A. So we take A is equal to 55 degrees. So tan 55 degrees is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. A is equal to 55 degrees. Here A is equal to 55 degrees. Therefore, tan 55 degrees is equal to cot 35 degrees because 90 degrees minus 55 degrees is equal to 35 degrees. Hence, we can convert tangent to cotangent or cotangent to tangent by subtracting the given angle from 90 degrees. Note that 55 degrees plus 35 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Here is the tip for verbal calculation. How do you convert tan 70 degrees to cotangent? It is so simple. Just subtract the given angle from 90 degrees. Here 70 degrees is an acute angle. So tan 70 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, tan 70 degrees is equal to cot 20 degrees. Tan 5 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 5 degrees is equal to cot 85 degrees. Tan 34 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 34 degrees is equal to cot 56 degrees. Similarly, we can convert cotangent to tangent. Cot 47 degrees is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus 47 degrees is equal to tan 43 degrees. Cot 61 degrees is equal to tan 90 degrees minus 61 degrees is equal to tan 29 degrees. Cot 12 degrees is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus 12 degrees is equal to tan 78 degrees. Now from the last formula, tan A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus A, or we can write cot 90 degrees minus A is equal to tan A. Dividing both sides by tan A, we get cot of 90 degrees minus A upon tan A is equal to tan A upon tan A is equal to 1. So cot 90 degrees minus A upon tan A is equal to 1. Similarly, from the third formula, cot A is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus A, or we can write tan of 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot A. Dividing both sides by cot A, we get tan 90 degrees minus A upon cot A is equal to cot A upon cot A is equal to 1. Therefore, tan 90 degrees minus A upon cot A is equal to 1. These are the important results for Wolver calculation. Example 3. Show that sec 80 degrees is equal to cosec 10 degrees. From the fourth formula, sec A is equal to cosec of 90 degrees minus A. Let us take A is equal to 80 degrees. So, sec 80 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus 80 degrees, where A is equal to 80 degrees. So, sec 80 degrees is equal to cosec 10 degrees because 90 degrees minus 80 degrees is equal to 10 degrees. Hence, we can convert second to cosecant or cosecant to second by subtracting the given angle from 90 degrees. Note that 80 degrees plus 10 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Here is tip for Wolver calculation. How do you convert sec 30 degrees to cosec? It is so simple. Just subtract the given angle from 90 degrees. Here 30 degrees is an acute angle. So sec 30 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus 30 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So sec 30 degrees is equal to cosec 60 degrees. Sec 45 degrees is equal to cosec of 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal to cosec 45 degrees. Sec 70 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus 70 degrees is equal to cosec 73 degrees. Similarly, we can convert cosecant to secant. Cosec 40 degrees is equal to sec of 90 degrees minus 40 degrees is equal to sec of 50 degrees. Cosec 9 degrees is equal to sec 90 degrees minus 9 degrees is equal to sec 81 degrees. Cosec 33 degrees is equal to sec of 90 degrees minus 33 degrees is equal to sec 57 degrees. Now from the fourth formula, sec A is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus A, or this can be written as cosec 90 degrees minus A is equal to sec of A. Dividing both sides by sec A, we get cosec 90 degrees minus A upon sec A is equal to sec A upon sec A is equal to 1. So cosec of 90 degrees minus A upon sec A is equal to 1. Similarly, from the fifth formula, cosec A is equal to sec 90 degrees minus A, or this can be written as sec of 90 degrees minus A is equal to cosec A. Dividing both sides by cosec A, we get sec of 90 degrees minus A upon cosec A is equal to cosec A upon cosec A is equal to 1. Therefore, sec of 90 degrees minus A upon cosec A is equal to 1. These are the important results for verbal calculation. Example 4. Evaluate sine 51 degrees upon cos 39 degrees plus tan 24 degrees upon cos 66 degrees plus sec 77 degrees upon cosec 13 degrees. The numerator of the first term is sine 51 degrees. See the formula, sine A is equal to cos 90 degrees minus A. We take A is equal to 51 degrees. So sine 51 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 51 degrees is equal to cos 39 degrees, because 90 degrees minus 51 degrees is equal to 39 degrees. The numerator of the second term is tan 24 degrees. See the formula, tan A is equal to cot 90 degrees minus A. We take A is equal to 24 degrees. So tan 24 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 24 degrees is equal to cot 66 degrees, because 90 degrees minus 24 degrees is equal to 66 degrees. The numerator of the third term is sec 77 degrees. See the formula, sec A is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus A. We take A is equal to 77 degrees. So sec 77 degrees is equal to cosec 90 degrees minus 77 degrees is equal to cosec 13 degrees, because 90 degrees minus 77 degrees is equal to 13 degrees. Now concentrate your mind on the numerator of the given example. The numerator of the first term is sine 51 degrees, and sine 51 degrees is equal to cos 39 degrees. So we put sine 51 degrees equal to cos 39 degrees in the numerator of the first term. The numerator of the second term is tan 24 degrees, and tan 24 degrees equal to cos 66 degrees. So we write tan 24 degrees equal to cot 66 degrees. The numerator of the third term is sec 77 degrees is equal to cosec 13 degrees. So we write sec 77 degrees is equal to cosec 13 degrees. Simplifying, we get cos 39 degrees upon cos 39 degrees equal to 1. Cos 66 degrees upon cos 66 degrees equal to 1. And cosec 13 degrees upon cosec 13 degrees equal to 1. Hence, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now let us take example 5. If tan 3a is equal to cot a plus 30 degrees, where 3a is an acute angle, then find the value of tan 3a. Here given that tan 3a is equal to cot a plus 30 degrees. Equation 1. And we know that tan a is equal to cot 90 degrees minus a. See the formula number 6. We take 3a instead of a. So tan 3a is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 3a. Second equation, comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we get cot A plus 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 3A. Therefore, A plus 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus 3A. Because 3A is an acute angle, so 3A is less than 90 degrees. Dividing both sides by 3, we get A is less than 30 degrees. Adding 30 degrees both sides, we get A plus 30 degrees is less than 30 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Hence, we have observed that A plus 30 degrees and 90 degrees minus 3 are acute angles. Therefore, A plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees minus 3 and A plus 3 is equal to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. Therefore, 4A is equal to 90 minus 30 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 15 degrees. We have to find the value of tan 3A. We take A is equal to 15 degrees. So tan 3A is equal to tan 3 into 15 degrees. 3 into 15 degrees is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, tan 3A is equal to tan 45 degrees. And we know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So tan 3A is equal to 1. Example 6. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then prove that cot of A plus B upon 2 is equal to tan C by 2. Here given that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Dividing both sides by 2, we get A plus B upon 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus C upon 2. Therefore, A plus B upon 2 is equal to 180 degrees upon 2 minus C upon 2. Here, 180 degrees upon 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So, A plus B upon 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Left hand side is equal to cot of A plus B upon 2. We put A plus B upon 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. So cot of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot of 90 degrees minus C by 2. See the formula, cot 90 degrees minus theta is equal to tan theta. We take theta is equal to C by 2. Therefore, cot 90 degrees minus C by 2 is equal to tan of C by 2. Therefore, cot of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan c by 2. Hence, we have cot of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan of c by 2.